Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon here, and today I'm going to be opening up 4 packs of Maze of Memories. This is the 25th anniversary or quarter century set, and it's also a collector's rare set. So, yeah, I'm actually excited for this. Baron is in here, and I definitely want that card. Ooh, I would love to get that card, especially in collector's rare. And didn't even have to rip the pack fully and I pulled it all the way out. Would you look at that? Okay, so we have Gate Guardian, Photon Orbital, Elysia, Saga of the Dragon Emperor, Mudon, Forge a New Future, and Sanga. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. This pack tore right up. Would you look at that? A second Gate Guardian, Overload Fusion, ooh, Utopia Rising, Court of Justice, Shadow Ghoul of Labyrinth, Deep Dark Trap Hole, and Mekk-Knight Red Moon. Let's go ahead and separate out the hollows. Put them right there. We have Imperial Ironwall, Mekk-Knight Yellow Sun, Psybeast, Chaos Form, Ancient Fairy Dragon, Blue Sky, and Deep Dark Trap Hole. And our last pack. Can we hope to get something good? Can we get an ultra rare? Or can we get a collector's rare? Only way to find out is opening the pack, and yeah. I think it's probably the middle one, so I'll go ahead and place that to the back. So we have Yellow Star, Time to Stand Up, Utopia Rising, Ancient Fairy Dragon, Mekk-Knight, Barian, and Blackwing. Oh well, so we have 4 supers, 2 of the same, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the opening. If you guys want to see me open a booster box, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I'll try and get my hands on a booster box. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope you all have a good night. And Lost in Inferno Fire Dragon, signing off.